Hello, I'm Younes from Detectors Hub, and here I have with me the AXP 5500 Professional from OKM Detectors. If you followed us in previous videos, we unboxed this machine and showcased all of the accessories that come with it. Ronald from OKM Germany visited us and showed us how to correctly assemble this machine and how to correctly operate it. In this video, we will mainly focus on how to correctly assemble this machine. If you see here, we have our main units. We have this carrying belt here, and we put it in this connection point. And we connect it on this side and the other one on this side. Now, as you can see, we can use our main unit like this. This one, of course, will be much more comfortable and better for your back. Okay, now we bring our main unit again, and I will show you how to assemble this one. Same thing for the front, similar to the previous one. And here you have two extra points for these connectors. And finally, we connect this one, and as you can see, it's much more comfortable to use the machine. It's closer to my body and it's not dingling around when I move, and my hands are free, so I can use other accessories. Now we will show you how to connect the PentaSense system. We have our main sensor here. Here on the main sensor we have this arrow which indicates the way forward. In other words, we have the cable facing towards us and the arrow facing forward. This is how we know that we are holding the machine correctly, and we just entangle this cable. And we connect our sensor to the main unit. We just hold it in this way, and we have this white arrow which indicates the connection point to this white line. We just align them together, we push gently and we twist. Quite easy. Now we are ready to use our magnetometer system and our 3D ground system. But of course, this is not the reason you are here in this video. We will show you how to fully assemble the entire PentaSense system. As you can see here, we have these protective caps that when we remove them, we have connection ports to our enhancers. We finished removing off our protection caps. You just twist gently. And now we can install all four of our enhancers. This is our main sensor. With the four enhancers, we just have to install the enhancers. And it's quite easy. As you can see here, it has a tear shape. You just push it gently and you lock the protective cap. You don't have to force it. That's the most important part, as everything in this device is easy to assemble. We put our second enhancer, and you can actually use the machine like this. You don't have to put all the enhancers. It depends on the situation and how easy it is. Now, as you can see, we have 5 sensors in one device, which is why the name of the system is PentaSense. The PentaSense rod acts as a support for your system, so your sensor is fixed in place and not moving left and right, which might affect your signal. And also, it keeps the sensor further away from your body and away from any interference, whether it is from something in your pockets or from the main unit. Obviously, we don't recommend keeping anything in your pockets. That might interfere with the whole system. Now we install the Penta rod. To show you how easy it is to install, I'm going to do it all by myself without any help. Of course, if you have a team member with you or a friend on the field, they can help you with this part. You just put the probe in place. Of course, the correct way to put it is with this arc in the down position. Push with your palm. You lock your probe. It's quite easy to lock. Now we extend our supports, and we lock it in place by flipping this lock. We are ready to use our PentaSense system in full potential. As you can see, it might look heavy to lift, but actually it's quite light. And here on the main unit, we have access to our 3D ground scan and magnetometer. When we go to 3D ground scan, you can see the main sensor with all the 4 enhancers installed, which means we installed them correctly. In future videos, we will show you how to fully conduct 3D ground scans with this device, so stay tuned for that. You also have magnetometer system. Moving on to the VLF system, all I have to do is remove the ground sensor, and we can install our pentacoil. I can keep the main unit close to my body without having it interfere with my work. This is our telescopic rod, which is the main support for our coil before we install it to the main unit. Now we have our PentaSense coil connected to our telescopic rod and main units, which gives us access to the VLF metal detection system with live feedback directly on the main unit. This machine also comes with a laptop with the Visualizer 3D Studio already installed, so you can transfer your scans from the main units directly to the laptop. You can fully analyze them. For more information on how to analyze your 3D ground scans or how to benefit from the EXP5500 and all of its systems, you can contact us at Detectors Hub.